Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Maybe you're like me and always looking for ways to add more protein to your diet. Well, if so, then you are going to love these French lentils. These are from Hunza Natural Foods, and this is an organic French lentil, and these are awesome. So there's so many things that I love about them. First of all, they're super high in protein and fiber. They are also really low in fat, so this is a great way to add plant-based protein to your diet in a really simple way. So the nice thing about these is that they cook up really fast in about 20 minutes or so, and you don't have to soak them. So it's really easy to just pull them out of the pantry when you're ready to cook, and you can add them to so many things. They have a beautiful flavor. I love French lentils because they have a little bit more robust flavor than other lentils I've had before. And that flavor is awesome. It is nice and earthy and rich, and it just adds something really nice and savory to your dishes. I also found that they hold their shape really well and do not get overly mushy. So I love to add these to salads or soup or in a side dish, maybe with a roasted meat and veggies, and they are so tasty. An added bonus is that these lentils are actually really beautiful. So I love the way that they look. They have this really beautiful speckled color to them, and they're just gorgeous. So if you're looking for a simple and easy way to add more plant-based protein to your diet that also tastes delicious, then I would definitely check out Hunza Natural Organic French Lentils. They are a great product, high quality, really tasty, and that's my point of view.